One of the most asked questions I get from my clients is, David, is it okay if I switch my car insurance company during the personal injury case? And the answer to that is yes, absolutely, it's okay. You're entitled to switch your insurance company whenever you want to. There's a couple things you want to consider when you do it, but absolutely. If they covered you on the date of the accident and you switch insurance companies the next day, they still have to cover you for that accident because you had coverage on the date of the accident. But there's some realities that you're gonna face when you go to find a new insurance company. So first of all, you're gonna have an open claim with your current insurance company. That might cause problems finding another insurance company. So the last thing you wanna do is drop your insurance company before you found a new insurance company. Because when they underwrite you, they're gonna look at you as a higher risk individual if you are uninsured for any period of time before you pick up that policy. So when you go to shop with these other insurance companies, you wanna make sure that their rates are good, their coverages are very similar to what you have, and then bind that policy before you drop your old policy. So then that way, you have a new insurance policy, then you go drop your other insurance policy, then you're not uninsured. Some people ask whether or not my rates are gonna go up, or is my insurance company gonna retaliate against me for making a claim? And while we can't make any guarantees, it comes down most of the time to a business decision for the insurance company. Why would they raise your rates if you're not at fault and you've only had one claim in the past 5 years, for example? You're probably not a super high risk individual for them. So if they're charging you market value rates, they might not want to increase those. However, if you've had 5 claims in the past 3 years, they might look at an opportunity to raise your rates because you're higher risk. In the same way, if you're at fault for an accident, most of the time, if you get points on your license, they're gonna raise your rates. If you're not at fault for an accident though, and you've been injured, it's really important to talk to an attorney about all these things to make sure that you're fairly protected. So the bottom line is, if you've been in an accident and you wanna switch your insurance company, you're absolutely entitled to do so, but call me and I'll walk you through the process to make sure that you don't fall into any traps so that your insurance rates don't skyrocket.